Hey Michael, how you doing? I want to do this quick demonstration. Okay, the one thing I'm seeing though is that you're not using layer masks with your components that create your creature. Now the creature looks good. It definitely looks like it's becoming a furniture fairy, but we don't have layer masks, and it's required to use layer masks in this project. Now you have this video right here, video tutorial combining images using layer masks. You definitely want to view that. Definitely want to view that because that shows exactly how to do this. But let me show you a couple of things. I'm seeing some low resolution images in here. How can I tell? If I come in here and with my zoom tool, I take a closer look, see how clear that is, that furniture leg right there? That's a high resolution image. If I come over here and I look at this dresser, see how blurry it is and low quality, and then take a look at the jagged edges of the bench. Those are low resolution images. Conversely, the fan blade, low resolution image. See how jagged that is? And then the lamp itself, see how clear that is? High resolution image. How can we tell? Well, let me show you a quick demonstration here. If we, I'm going to open this image I've got. It's on my desktop. So if I just go to my desktop and I grab this image right here, I'm going to drag it right into Photoshop. I'm going to open it in Photoshop, and I'm going to come across the top layer. I'm going to say image size. When I say image size, you can see right here it says 300. That's 300 ppi. That indicates that's a high resolution image. That means this image can be used for the project. Okay, I'm just going to say okay or cancel, either one. Now, I want to show you how to get this image into your file in order to use it. So I'm just going to come to my move tool. I'm going to grab the whole image. I'm going to just come over here and I'm going to click on that tab for the file. I'm just going to let go, and there's your image in your file. Now, how do we mask it out to use it? I'm going to use my zoom in a little bit here, and I want to show you what to do. So what we have here is I'm just going to grab a selection tool, and I'm going to start selecting. Okay, now as you see as I let go, it has selected the whole white area, but it's also got the marching ants around the outer edge of the area. This indicates that the white area is what's selected. I want the chair selected. So what I'm going to do is say select inverse. And that's again across the top menu, it says select, and I just set select inverse. Now I'm just going to come right over here. Now note what happens when I click my layer mask. That's my layer mask. I click that, and now that is masked out and able to be used. Okay, and that's how you bring a layer mask and use a layer mask. So we could use that anywhere in, I mean, we could drag it down there, and we could use it as the bottom of the creature. Anything that you would do with layers, you would do with this. But the point of the matter is it is masked out. Okay, let me bring that up top again just to show you. Okay, there's the chair. Whoops. There's the chair, right? Now look what happens when I'm going to shift click that mask, that layer mask right there, and you see the background comes back. So it's fully editable, fully usable, non-destructive. Okay, and that's what I would need to see. For every one of the components in your creature, I would need to see a layer mask right over here. Again, please review this video. It's very, very thorough. Basically goes over a couple of different ways to do what I just showed you. And then don't forget to check all of your images to make sure they're high resolution. Okay, go ahead and make those changes, and make sure that you do make those changes before you submit your final submission. Okay, thanks.